Ember is a really cool app that can earn you up to 2,400 sats a day with no investment. And I have a good idea how I can help you all, or at least as many as I can, get to this level. For each person you refer, and the person who puts in your code, you'll receive 12 sats an hour. This goes up to 100 sats. This means you need less than 10 total referrals to get to this level. My idea is to get people to comment on this video, and I'll try to get you to 100 sats by putting your referral code in the description. I have a few people in line already, but if this interests you, comment your code. But I won't count you until you've joined our Discord or found a way so I can contact you directly, because I need to contact you daily if I have your code up to see when you're maxed out. Mainly just so I can know when you max out so I can move to the next person as efficiently as possible. But as you can see, 2,400 sats a day over a year can easily be over $1,000. Anyways, there are a few small catches to these sats, but considering all this is free, it's really not a big deal. So you'll see here in the balance breakdown that the Bitcoin you earn by tapping Start Earning Bitcoin are considered bonus sats, which must be played before they can be withdrawn. So the first thing you really need to know is to start earning Bitcoin. On the bottom, you'll see this green button that says Start Earning Bitcoin. You're going to have to click this once a day. It'll usually give you a notification on your phone, but if this isn't active, your miners won't be earning for you. Fortunately for this, it's just a click of the button and it's really not that big of a hassle. So as you can see, I have 591 bonus sats and 3,967 withdrawable now sats. And obviously the sats I'm earning per hour are my bonus sats. I have 3 options if I want those sats to be withdrawable. The first thing you can do is sports predictions. As somebody who likes numbers and is pretty big of a sports nerd, I've done pretty well at this so far. So you can see the basic rules are pick the team that you think will win their upcoming matches, tap submit entry, and the players who predict the outcome will win Bitcoin prizes. So I'll just do a quick example of this. So let's go to this Houston Rockets Golden State Warriors game. We'll pick the Warriors, click lineup on the bottom. You can see that you can do intervals of, 50, 100. So I have 500 sats, so let's do 300. So you can see on the bottom left, my potential payout is 591. Let's hit submit entry. And there it is. Next is games. There are many games to choose from, but in my opinion, the most straightforward is the coin flip. If you win, you double the stats you bet, and you can double or nothing or cash out at that point. Let me show you a quick example. I'm going to put my risk down to 100, and then we're going to click flip. We are heads. And there we go, won 400 sats. Let's cash out, and there we go. So the last way to earn sats is by tournaments. So let's go to the tournament tab. So there are free options where you can watch an ad and get a chance to win one of these tournaments. But in this example, let's go with the low roller 250 sat entry. And I'll click how to play real quick. You'll see the tournament rules. You see you select an available tournament from the list below. Click enter tournament. Pick a few coins that you think will perform the best over the next few hours, and players with the top performing portfolios at the end win Bitcoin prizes. So if you look at the bottom here, it says view prizes. It says that you have a 63% chance of winning, but remember the entry is 250, so 21st through 50th place gets 250 sats, which is basically breaking even, up to 3,750 sats. So I'm going to click sounds good, and then let's enter the tournament. Let's look for things that have a high return. Oh, it's a little laggy on here, that's okay. Let's go with Flare. We'll go with, sorry, it looks so choppy, guys. Let's go with eCash, it's up 3%. And Ribbon Finance, I'm just winging it here, guys. Click next, and click enter tournament, and I've successfully entered the tournament. So the last thing I wanted to show you guys, on the very top left, you see that little circle with the little avatar? So let's click that, and this will bring you to your profile tab. So if you click Withdrawal, and on the very bottom there's a button that says Cash Out, you'll see that my requirements aren't met. You need 10,000 minimum to withdraw, and it must be made within the final 2 weeks of the month. But once you're earning 2,400 sats a day, 10,000 is barely over 4 days. Really not that bad. And as you can see with the math here, 2,400 sats a day over a year is a pretty decent chunk of change. So what do you all think? If you're willing to be in contact with me to give me updates on your account while your code is up, comment on this video and we'll get this set up. I also plan to make withdrawal and update videos on this app, and we'll keep the codes rolling that way as well. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I'm always on the lookout for ways to get us Bitcoin and other passive income, and really this seems to be the best app that I've found so far. I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.